Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to share your screen on Facebook Messenger. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, we are going to go into facebook.com and you need to obviously be logged into your account, and then head over to the messenger tab, which should be in the left hand corner. So click on Messenger and you will open up Facebook Messenger. Now here we can see search for whatever user we want to call. So they must be added as a friend on Messenger and you can search them here. I have only got myself as a friend on this account, so I am going to use myself, Bradley Harrison. So when you are inside the chat log with that person, now you need to video call them because otherwise you will not be able to share your screen. So click on the video call icon and a new box will open up here. So you can see we are now in a call. We are calling from the computer and I am calling to a phone here. So that you need to do now to share your screen. You need to click on this button here, which is in the left hand corner, which is the share your screen button. We can then choose to share your entire screen, an application window or a Chrome tab. So I am going to choose my entire screen here. I am going to click share. My screen will now be sharing. You will now your screen sharing because you will be able to see it down here, and then the person on the other end of the call. We will be able to see your screen, and then to cancel it just click this button here. So this is the way how you can share your screen on Facebook Messenger. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.